Hello, this is Luis at Classic Cars of Palm Beach, located in Jupiter, Florida. Our phone number is 561-529-3101. We're just shooting a quick walk-around video on this 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, 50th anniversary. Do a quick walk-around video of this car to show any imperfections. We make these videos for all our out-of-state buyers or our online buyers, people that don't are able to come in and see these cars in person. Like to do walk-arounds here. The paint's in excellent condition. 2003 Corvette with only 42,000 miles, and it is a manual. It does have some LED upgraded turn signals, HID headlights. Those are pretty cool. They're sequential, if you can see in the video. I'll go around each wheel just to show that it's in excellent condition. All the body panels are nice and straight. The back wheel there. A lot of LED upgrades here. Tail lights look amazing with the LEDs. Great looking car. Pop this open here. Carpet looks like it's new. This is a car cover that the car comes with. Close that. Show you the interior. The interior is really nice. The keyless works. Show you the door panel. And this car looks like it's show quality, really. Dashboard looks amazing. It's not faded or cracked. Even your steering wheel, your seats look like they're new. And this is a time capsule here, so to speak. It's an amazing condition. Show you this door panel here. You know, usually you have the handle, you know, scrapes, and down here you would have marks from people kicking it open, especially here on the rocker panels. You know, people getting in and out. This one's amazing. We haven't had a chance to detail it yet, but after a detail, it would really look amazing. No wear on the top of the steering wheel. Of course, your manual. The top is manual, so it'll never break on you. If you have any other questions or want to see a video on this Corvette on something more specific, please call us 561-529-3101. Thank you.